Birthday celebration ga mari Leina blood donation camp Pangthokhre ngasi TS Evohol Singh amasung TS Bina Devi ani gi machanupa Sandip Thokchum gi chahi 39 suba birthday celebration ga mari Leina Manipur AIDS Control Society State Blood Transfusion Council Manipur meeting makada athoiba ahen bi anauba khongthang BIFs Khangabok Part 2 Modern Youth Club K1 Aviation Khangabok Lions Club Thobal Greater Centurion and Association of Voluntary Blood Donor M Thobal District Branch amasung Blood Center and Transfusion Unit District Hospital Thobal Khangabok Kutsam Naraga Voluntary Blood Donation Awareness Campaign Camp ama Khangabok Part 1 Awang Laikai de Leiba Lukoi Lampak Community Hall da Pangthokhre ngasige thoramadu N Ramanand Singh Jila Parisad Member Khangabok El Sanatomi Devi President AV BD M Thobal District Branch M Mehen Singh Chairperson Khangabok Part 3 GPM Gopi Ramon Singh Chairperson Khangabok Part 2 GP Dr. KM Blooming Higher Secondary School Khangabok ki Dr. KS Roman Kumar Bangang Principal Y Guneswari Devi President Lions Club Thobal Greater Centurion Ringu Laisom Coordinator Khangabok MSR 11 na athoiba mitunglen oina sarukia ki KM Blooming Higher Secondary School Khangabok ki Principal Dr. KS Roman Kumar na phongdok kibada blood donation camp pandu bu pukning thogot kibaga loinana mai pakpa punsi nung sangba oibiu haina mahakpu pukning thogot tuna achamba khudol tamki blood donation camp patuda Sandip Thokchomna masagi kunipalak subo oina EP ki amadi nupi taret yauna miyoi kuni thoina EP ki